In a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add a small piece of cinnamon, 5 numbers of cloves, 3 numbers of cardamom. Add each 1 spoon of cumin seeds, fennel seeds and pepper. And also add small piece of kalpasi, half spoon of poppy seeds and 6 cashew nuts. Fry all the ingredients and then add 3 spoons of peanut. Adding 1 cup of coconut powder. Fry them well. Let it be cool for some time and then make a fine paste. Another pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll be adding 1 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, small piece of cinnamon and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Adding 1 cup of sliced onion. And then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add curry leaves and 2 numbers of green chilli. Fry them well till the raw smell goes. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Add half spoon of turmeric powder and then adding salt as we required. Now adding each 1 spoon of red chilli powder, coriander powder and chicken masala powder. I had taken 750 grams of freshly cleaned chicken. Adding chicken pieces. Mix it well. Pour water as we need. Close the pan, let it cook for 10 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Close the pan, let the chicken gets boil. Now adding grinded coconut paste. Mix it well. Mix well. If required, add some more water. Now perfect chicken salna is ready. It's a perfect dish to parotta and chapatti. Finally adding coriander leaves. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Try this recipe at your home. Be sure to comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.